Say with me, escaping the debt trap. Do you not know that most people are financially frustrated because of debt? See, we teach here financial freedom. And freedom, guys, is when your passive income is greater than your expenses. One of the biggest expenses that most people have, say with me, it's my debt. In this particular course called Escaping the Debt Trap, we give you a step-by-step plan how to eradicate debt. The average American, your debt is $2,000 to $3,000 a month. That's your mortgage, it's your car note, it's student loans, it's credit cards, etc. A major step in you gaining control of your life, guys, is you must get out of debt. We give you a 5-step system, guys, for less than $50, God. 5-step. Number 1, we show you how to consider debt as a hostile enemy. Number 2, we show you how to control spending so you don't incur additional debt when life happens. Number 3, we show you how to cut expenses. That's a weapon. Number 4, we show you how to create money. We give you 20 ways to create money without a part-time job. And number 5, we show you how to crush debt. I'm going to tell you, this is a life-changing course and book. Make the investment today. It is a major step for you becoming free. Debt has to be viewed as a hostile enemy against your goals and your dreams. Click below. Let's change your life starting today. God bless you.